Cut open the sealing tape on the package. Take out the Easwe C10 main frame. Unfold the C10 frame and it will lock automatically. Remove the frame protective cover. Insert the controller into the armrest slot. Connect the controller to the lower control unit. Install the battery into the battery compartment. Attach the backrest and seat cushion. Install the anti-tip wheels. Press the armrest button to unlock and lift the armrest. Push the motor lever backward toward the user to switch to manual mode. Push the motor lever forward toward the wheelchair to switch to automatic mode. Turn on the controller power. 5 adjustable levels. Long press for horn. Press again to turn it off. Insert the charger plug into the controller's power port. Remove the battery and open the waterproof cover. Insert the charging plug. After charging, close the cover and reinstall the battery. Press the upper part of the rear auto lock to unlock. Fold the seat and backrest together. Can be dragged freely and lifted with one hand. Flip down the footrests. Unfold the wheelchair. It will lock automatically. Lift the armrests. Fasten the seat belt. Lower the armrests. Turn on the power and drive freely. Supports 360 rotation, forward and backward movement.